Tell me the benefit of Vastu Mama.
Yes. Vaha astu, vastu, or va astu. Like that. Two types of things are there in that. About Vastu Purusha. Vastu Purusha namastestu bhushayya nirataha prabho madgrihe dhana dhanyadi samriddhim sarvada. For that one, there is great thing is that about Vastu Purusha. He was like he was demon, like he was troubling to the gods. Like he wants to become bigger than everyone. Actually, so he was troubling to the all the gods. Then all the gods they moved into Bhuloka that, but he was very big. He was unable to fit in Bhuloka, Jagat also, in Earth also. So somehow he managed and they pulled again and again, again and again. Ishanya, which we will call northeast, that side his head came, and also his legs came to the Nairitya, So Vastu Purusha's direction is that Ishanya will be his head and Nairitya will be his legs. So again and again they pulled, and also they gave vara. You have to be in Bhubi only. We will give one vara to you. Whoever will build the new house in that time, you will get all the food or this thing, Vastu Bali and all. So this is the thing. So whoever should build whenever they will build the new building, there we have to do the Vastu Homa, Vastu Purusha.
Would you suggest any suggestion for our audience?
Yes. Everyone should do the Vastu Homa, Vastu Purusha, Aradhana, Vastu Bali, because first only I said that Va Astu. It is calling Astu Devata. The Vastu Purusha became now Astu Devata. So by receiving the food and this puja and all, he will become the like Astu Devata God. So the thing is, which side leg will come, like Nairitya? In Vastu Purusha's leg, the Kubera will be there. So we are calling that Kubera corner, like Kubera, like that. So there we have to do the very heavy things. It means it will become like master bedroom, Kubera, which is there, that what is that, Nairitya, southwest, in between that place called as Kubera, what is that, Kona or angle, that, yes. So there will be the what is that, master bedroom. All the heavy things, precious things. Heavy means not only burden, that it is heavy means precious. So all the what is that, Muttu, Ratna, like gems, pearls, and money, wealth, these kind of things we have to keep. So Kubera side is that. So there we should observe we should keep the master bedroom. And where this thing came, what is that, head came, Ishanya, always head will be the up. So it means upstairs, Urdhvaloka calling as Swarga and all heaven, gods will be there. So it is calling Deva Puja, Puja room, which will be there, Ishanya side direction, it is Puja room. So Ishanya side Puja room, and also Nairitya side there will be master bed. And Agni Mule, Agni side, Agneya. So in that place we can put the kitchen. And
give some suggestion how they get good health and prosperity.
Yes, according to this Vastu only, I will tell you that In Vastu, there is the mantra Akshis Pandenga Chale Yad Bhayam Yadvashite Yaduche Durukte. Like that Vastu mantra will be there. So, in which place there will be good Vastu, in that place they will not get any other disease like bad, what is the sign, like Shakuna, we will say that, bad Shakuna like that. Akshis Pande means, Akshi means eye, like it will blink like for males, right side eye blink. If it is blinking, it will be good sign. If left side, it will be bad. Same ulta for women, that when they will their right side eye, if it is blink, it will be bad sign for them. So this kind of bad Shakuna will not get when Vastu will be there. And also Duswapna, bad dream which will not come. So these are the things are there, very good benefit from Vastu Puja. So everyone should do the Vastu Homa, Vastu Purusha, by the blessings of Vastu Purusha, Astu Devata, whichever we will wish in mind, thing we will do, everything Astu, Astu, Astu. Should be like that. It should be like that. He will bless us. So we should not speak bad things in their Vastu. It means in their form. So good or bad, va astu, whatever it is, astu. So good or bad, va astu, whatever it is, astu, he will say. So we should not speak about bad, we should always speak good in our Vastu, it means in our home or in our office, anything. So that Astu Devata, Vastu Purusha, Anugraha, when will be there, we will have all the types of Samriddhi.
Thank you so much, Panditji.
Right.